Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 63 of learning English. First task is 10-minute reading. Start. Several parts of Delhi experience an intense downpour on Sunday evening, following a moderate spell on rain in some areas earlier in the day. The weather caused three Delhi-bound flights to be diverted, while over 15 flights were delayed at IGI Airport. Rain is likely to continue on Monday, with the Met Department issue a yellow alert for light to moderate showers. SPS Mayur Bihar in East Delhi received the maximum rainfall on Sunday, logging 56 mm between 8:30 am and 5:30 pm on Saturday. Mayur Bihar reported 66 mm of rainfall from 8:30 am and 8:30 pm on Sunday. Sadarjung, the city base stations, received 28.8 mm on rainfall. Palam received 45.2 mm and Sadarjung logged 28.5 mm of rainfall. And until 5:30 pm, Ayan Nagar recorded 49.4 mm of rainfall, Gurugram 80 mm, and Lahori Road 30.8 mm. The monsoon, though near its normal position, and a cyclonic circulation lies over northeast Rajasthan and neighboring areas. Under the influence of this system, Delhi saw a light to moderate spell of rain, said a Met official. India Meteorological Department has placed a yellow alert for light to moderate rain for Wednesday and Thursday too, with the possibility of light showers on Friday and Saturday. The maximum temperature on Sunday dropped to 31 degrees Celsius, 3 touches below normal, and 1.8 degree lower than Saturday. A maximum. The relative humidity ranged from 91 to 100%. The maximum temperature was 26 degrees Celsius, 1 degree below normal. So far in August, Sadarjung has received 185 mm of rainfall against the normal of 233.1% mm for the entire month. The air quality renamed the satisfactory categories on Sunday with an IQ of 39. It is expected to stay in the same categories until August 14. Meanwhile, parts of the city